Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Cargo Trailer and Colorado Off-Road Trailer. You guys can view all of our inventory always at coloradotrailersinc.com or send us an email, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com. Now, we ship if you guys aren't here, so you can still get this trailer delivered to your door. This is one of our 8.5 18 spread torsions set up with insulation, power windows, AC. We'll go through all that right now. These are ideal trailers for highway travel. They're amazing UTV trailers. They've got plenty of space inside, and it does have spread torsion 3,500-pound axles, which is what you guys are looking at right there. Now, the spread torsion package is, again, amazing for highway travel. It cuts down on wagging and swaying when they're spread apart like this, and the torsion axle gives you an independent suspension, so it's going to ride better and tow better with those torsion axles as well. And then you can see you do have some aluminum wheels with that setup. We take this size trailer all the time when we travel with our Razor and full-size dirt bikes, and like I said, it's a great towing trailer. I've got some good personal stories with this exact same size. This one's in a white Blackout package. It does have the Blackout trim, black diamond plate. You do have a Vino's guard and the extra tall diamond plate here on the bottom, so you've got some good rock protection there. Extended triple tube tongue with this unit as well. Now, these trailers do come with a 3-year factory warranty from Cargo Craft, so you guys have some peace of mind behind your trailer with that factory warranty. Interior wise, it is insulated. We'll go through all that again here in a second. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. Exterior party lights, as you guys can see, those are on. These are great LED lights. It gives you guys some nice light at night if you guys want to use this as a multi-use trailer and camp and haul and do a bunch of stuff with it. You do have an exterior GFI outlet located right there as well. Couple of windows in this unit, rear ramp door, spring assist close, and then you've got load lights off the back as well. That's those guys sticking up right there. Now, this does have a 7-foot interior height. That's what makes it great for most of those UTVs and side-by-sides out there. You've got plenty of interior height for those taller units. Also does have our performance Nudo floor with Drymax. It's the same floor we use in our off-road trailers. It's a great durable floor setup to last. 4 D-rings, so you do have some tie-down points. And then again, insulated walls and ceiling. You've got it finished out with a beautiful white aluminum liner. And then we do have 4 interior LED puck lights. So you do have some nice interior light. Let's talk about power sources really quick. We'll come inside the trailer. Now, this is equipped with a battery box, and battery charger. That's that guy right there. That battery is a great little feature because it runs your exterior party lights, it runs your exterior load lights, it also runs these interior puck lights. That's how we have light on without being plugged into a vehicle or a generator. So nice little feature there. That's going to charge anytime you're hooked up to your vehicle or you've got your generator running with that battery charger. And then you do have your 30 amp service as well. So you've got this, a nice long cord port through the floor. You can pop that right through, go to a generator. You can also plug into a 30 amp campground or an extension cord, and that's going to bring all your 110 power in. So that's how you're going to run your AC unit with a heat strip. It's also going to run your 2 big 4-foot LED lights, which are these guys here across the ceiling. So you have a ton of light in here if you need it. It's also going to turn on your interior outlets. You've got 4 inside outlets in this unit, and then you do also have the exterior GFI outlet. So that's how your power sources are going to work inside the trailer. And then again, we've got 2 windows. These are a tinted lockable window with a screen, so you've got some good versatility there as well. So again, 3-year factory warranty, and we ship if you guys are not here. Oh, we do have a roof vent here in the back. Can't forget the roof vent. But again, we do ship if you guys need it. Give us a call. We can get you a quote for shipping. It's very reasonable. We've got some great transporters that'll run. We ship literally almost every single day, so we can take care of that for you as well. And again, give us a call, 303-688-8485. Best place to reach us nowadays is by email, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com. And you can get to us right there, or always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And be sure to like and subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube. And as always, you guys have a great day.